Is AI replacing consultants? As technology rapidly evolves, this question sparks lively debates across boardrooms and industry events. Today, we're diving into how AI and emerging technologies are reshaping consulting and why skilled consultants are positioned to thrive in this new era.
AI-powered tools are revolutionizing consulting. These technologies analyze vast datasets, generate insightful reports, and offer actionable recommendations, all within seconds. Automation streamlines repetitive tasks, freeing consultants to focus on high-impact areas like strategic planning and client relationships. By letting AI handle the routine, consultants can dedicate more energy to delivering real value.
With AI and automation at the core of consulting, the demand for consultants proficient in data analytics and AI technologies is surging. These professionals excel at interpreting AI-driven insights and transforming them into strategic guidance. Mastering AI tools is no longer optional. It's a powerful differentiator in a competitive field.
Real-world success stories make it clear. AI is empowering, not replacing, consultants. Firms are using AI to predict market trends, optimize supply chains, and elevate customer experiences. Predictive analytics help consultants forecast industry shifts, giving clients a competitive edge. These examples prove that consultants who harness AI deliver more impactful, future-ready solutions.
To stand out in the consulting world, embrace AI as your ally. Invest in ongoing learning. Attend workshops, webinars, and stay updated on emerging technologies. Collaborate with AI experts to boost your project outcomes. Most importantly, focus on building strong client relationships and understanding their unique challenges. By combining AI expertise with exceptional consulting skills, you'll become an invaluable asset in this evolving industry.
The future of consulting is bright. AI and emerging technologies are opening new doors for those willing to adapt and learn. Consultants who embrace these tools will lead the industry, delivering smarter, more impactful solutions. Leverage AI to amplify your expertise and create lasting value for your clients.